I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt not curdle. To begin, select fresh, high-quality milk. Whole milk often yields the creamiest results. Gently heat your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius to denature its proteins. This crucial step helps prevent curdling and creates a smoother, thicker yogurt. Remember to stir frequently to prevent scorching the bottom of your pot. After heating, it is vital to cool the milk to the correct temperature before adding your starter culture. Aim for a range between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, or 43 to 46 degrees Celsius. This temperature range is ideal for the beneficial bacteria in your starter to thrive. Using a good quality thermometer is essential for accuracy, ensuring your yogurt sets perfectly without any unwanted separation. Now it is time to introduce your starter culture. Take a small amount of the cooled milk and mix it thoroughly with your yogurt starter until it is completely smooth. Then, gently fold this mixture back into the larger batch of milk. This ensures even distribution of the beneficial bacteria. Incubate your yogurt at a steady temperature, ideally between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 8 hours. Once incubation is complete, resist the urge to stir your yogurt immediately. Gently transfer it to the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set properly. This chilling process helps the yogurt firm up and prevents it from becoming too thin or curdled. Store your delicious, smooth homemade yogurt in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.